it's Miss Carlye, and I'm here today to teach you how to make a pan flute out of straws. So, you should see in your pack that you have 8 straws, all in a different color. And that's all you really need. What you'll need from home is a ruler, tape, and scissors. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick one straw that you want to be the longest in the pan flute. I'm going to go in rainbow order, so I'm going to pick my red straw and I'm going to set it aside. Alright, so then the next straw you're going to pick your second straw. You're going to take your ruler and you want to cut off 1/2 inch from the top of the pan, of the straw. So you might also need a pen to mark where the 1/2 inch is. So the 1/2 inch is right there. Okay, then take your scissors, you cut the top off. There you go. Okay, so there's one. Then next, take your third straw, and now you're going to cut a whole inch off of this. Okay, so again, mark where the inch is. Alright, now cut that inch off. Alright, there you go. So you can see it's starting to create kind of like an end like that. There we go. So then take the fourth one and you're going to take 1.5 inches off. So each time you're getting a new straw, we're adding a 1/2 inch of what we're cutting. So 1.5 inches. Okay, now we're going to take our next straw and we are going to add another 1/2 inch off of what we're cutting off, so that's going to be 2 inches. Take your next straw, now 2.5 inches that we're cutting off. You're also going to see in your pack that some of these straws used to be bendy straws. You're definitely going to want to cut the bendy part off so that you can hear your flute better. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, cut another 1/2 inch off. So that is going to be 3 inches. Then for your last one, you're going to cut off 3.5 inches. Okay, there we go. So now you're done with cutting. Next thing you're going to do is we are going to tape it together. So this part is going to be a little tricky. You're going to want a nice long piece of tape. And what you're going to do first is you're actually going to lay the tape down on the table with the sticky side facing up. Now, because it's going to stick to you, I'm going to take one of the old straws that we cut off, and I'm going to lie it down here so I can get off my finger. And then at the very end, we'll take that back off. Okay? So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our longest one, and we are going to put it in the beginning and stick it to our tape. We're going to take our next one, and we are going to lay it right next to it, so that's touching. And you're going to want one of the ends to completely match up and line up with the first one, so that the bottom you can see the level difference. Okay, so then you're just going to keep doing that. Take the next smallest one, attach it to the tape, and you're just going to keep doing that. until all of them are taped down. Let's see. Okay, then this last one. Alright, so now they're all taped down. So you're going to now wrap it around. So you could see that this piece of tape isn't long enough to completely wrap around the pan flute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this old piece off, and then I'm going to get another piece of tape, and I'm going to wrap it around a second time so that's nice and secure. There we go. And if it's still moving around again, get a third piece of tape and wrap it completely around again. There we go. Alright, so there we go. Now you have a pan flute. And what you're going to do to play it, it's not going to play music like a normal flute, but you're going to blow into it and you're going to hear the pitch difference in the air. So what you're going to do is you're not going to put your mouth on it, but you're going to rest it like right under your mouth. And then just blow into it. Alright, and then you can use that, you can make songs up, you can try and learn a song that you know, learn how to play on the pan flute, and just enjoy making music with it. Alright, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you have fun with your pan flutes, and I hope you have a great day.